Welcome to another edition of the Fast Lane Truck, and today, as you can tell, we have the 2013 Toyota Tundra. I would say it's a brand new truck, but it's not. Of course, there's a 2014 model. But before we can test the 2014, we want to set a baseline for the current model. So we're going to do a series of 3 videos. One with the truck, 0 to 60, one with the truck and the boat, 0 to 60, and then the last one, we're going to take it off-road, and then we're going to do that all over again with the new one. Coming up next on the Fast Lane Truck. Yeah, it's not a Hemi, but it has the exact same displacement, 5.7 liters of Toyota power. This V8 puts out 381 horsepower and, perhaps more importantly, 401 pound-foot of torque. And my favorite feature, check this out, it's got dual horns. All right, 0 to 60 in the 2013 Tundra. Set a base time for the new 2014 model to take on. Of course, that'll have the same engine and transmission, but you never know. So here we go. I've got it in, well, sport mode, and keep in mind that we're a mile above sea level, which means it's like accelerating with a 7-cylinder because there's less air density. But here we go. Oh, it takes off good. I love the roar of that 5.7 non-Hemi V8. There's 50, and here comes 60 right there. You know, that is crazy fast. Check it out. Up here at elevation, that'll embarrass a bunch of cars because 10.30 is mighty quick for a big and heavy pickup. Oh, I did it one more time. We always like to try it a few times, and check this out. Yo, that's right. We just broke 10 seconds. This will embarrass a lot of cars if they're not expecting a big pickup to go that fast to 60. As always, this is Roman reporting for the Fast Lane Truck. And remember, come back again when we try it with our 5,740 pound towing test boat.
3 сантиметра. 3 сантиметра. Стоп. Отлично, хорошо.
Yo, Andre, you know what's cool about this pickup? It's got a proximity sensor, so it beeps, so you don't run into things like your boat. And there's a little camera right here, which displays in the rearview mirror, which is really nice because I can see exactly what I'm backing into and hopefully not crushing your dainty Russian toes.